So here the post opens up. Now you can of course make some editing here. Let's say you want to remove this particular link, and then what you just have to do is click on post. So this is how this goes, and you can see a new topic was also added side by side, and this post is now readily available. So this is how you can actually use content which has been posted anywhere else also or previously also into your classroom. Now let's talk about two important utilities that Google Classroom provides: copying a classroom and deleting a classroom. Now let's say when you click here and you click on classes, you'll be able to see all the classes that you have created. Now, I want to, let's say, use the same set of material and the same assignments and quizzes for my next batch. So I'm taking machine learning this time, and in the next year also with a new batch, I would be taking the same material. Now, creating the classroom again from scratch is, of course, a time consuming activity. So, in one semester, you spent all your time and you created all the content, all your assignments, quizzes, all the digital content that you found relevant. And doing that again would be a very, very manual and complicated task for you. So, for saving your time, Google Classroom also has this utility by which you can create a copy of a classroom. Now, let's say I have this classroom right here and I want to create a copy of this classroom. For this, what we just have to do is you have to click on this particular icon here. So you click this, and here you have this option of copy. So when you click on copy, it asks you for the name, so you can provide any relevant name here. So maybe this can be BSc honors computer science, and now it is the 21-22 batch, or anything that you feel is relevant, an appropriate section, subject, and then you click on copy. Now as it says, it will create a new class copying all the topics and the classwork items, but the rosters, that means the batch, the students, and the announcements won't be copied. So you click on copy, and you will see that a new classroom would be created by the name of copy of BSc Honors Computer Science. It will have all the content that was posted here, but it will not have the announcements and the student list. All of it will be in draft format. And now what you just have to do is you have to just reschedule it. So it is trying to create this particular class here. So what it is just going to do is, once the class is created, you can see all the content as drafts, and then you can just reschedule it according to the new semester and the new lesson plan that you create. So taking a little time to create. Of course, it is copying everything from one class to the other. So this utility is really helpful, and some people also do it to keep a backup of their classrooms at regular intervals, so that they know what was the content and what are the original materials that were posted into the group. Okay, so till this happens, I'm going to show you one more utility, and that is deleting a classroom. So let's say there is a time that now you would like to delete the classroom. So for example, I want to delete this particular classroom. Now, what you just have to do is, again, you have to click on this icon, but this time, first, you have to click on archive. So you send your classroom to the set of archived classes. So I'm going to click on archive, and yes, you click on archive. Now, once you do that, you have to visit your set of archived classes. You see the class here, and what you just have to do is click on delete. Once you do that, this particular classroom will be deleted. If you want to restore it back to the set of active classes, you have to click on restore.